What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we will again discuss about the very pretty Bitcoin update. So Bitcoin is into the range bound from ages now. Like we are not looking any bounds of any sort of relief rally in Bitcoin, any kind of relief rally. Like it is not going down to test 17,000, it is not going up to test 26,000, it is just range bound from ages now. So what you can do here, is you can easily do DCA. Like there is no way if you want to survive in this market, just do DCA, because DCA is something that can help you to, when the price goes up, you can average it out and you can take profits. Now, how to DCA? So today videos is more than an educational videos than a Bitcoin update. So how to DCA is actually a very important thing. You can see that the price of the Bitcoin is into the downtrend from more than 6 to 7 months now, and that is the biggest bear market that we are going to have in many years now. Every big indicator has been oversold, like RSI, many on-chain data indicators that indicates the bottom has been hidden perfectly. So still the price is into the downtrend. Like we have tested the 20 RSI on the daily. That is one of the worst case scenarios in the histories. So only thing you can do here is to do DCA, like dollar costing averages, because you can, if you see to the weekly RSI. So weekly RSI, it's below 30 now. That's the craziest numbers on Bitcoin. Because if the weekly RSI most of the time when tested 40, it is the best time to buy, but this time it's the most of the horrible situation out here, that the price is not going to above that and not making 200 EMA as a support, and trading below that. We have to close above that level to regain the bounce level, but there are no chances for now that the price of the Bitcoin increases, because we are not seeing any relief rally. We are not seeing the big boom downwards trends to 15,000 to $14,000 and then boom up to $22,000 that are hitting the bottom. So I think so there were a lot of things. The big consolidation zone, it is into the big consolidation was of course the global rates, the inflation rates is hiking up into the United States, and the recession is taking place as well. So that can be reason of a big crash out here into the market. Then big sell pressure we have saw on 28,000 that has pushed price below to 17,000. Of course, that was also a very big move out here into the price of the Bitcoin, and we may see jumps, we may see corrections, but for now it's the game of you know that how you can do DC. Well, DC is going to be very important here. If you keep on doing the DCA, you will realize that after a long time Bitcoin, you know, uh, passes are relief rally, you can take profits out there. So that's it for the price of the Bitcoin. You can do DCA in any altcoins as well, like Polkadot, Chainlink, Ethereum. I've discussed all of them in the above video. So let's go to something else now. Let's go to the fear and greed index of the Bitcoin. What it says. So the fear and greed index is currently at 11. Now these are one of the most fierce things into the market. So when it is below 15 fear and greed index, you can start doing the DC. So it has gone to 7 as well. and when it will go above 75 you can start selling as well, because it's extreme greed in the market. What you can do now is Bitcoin is also consolidation, doing consolidation in fear and greed index. Like it is on 11, tomorrow it can be on 12, then 10, 9, 8, 7. It is testing these levels. So what does this mean? That market has been exhausted, the sellers have been exhausted into these levels, and what they can do now is, only thing they can do is that we need to have the relief rally at any cost, because that is going to cost a lot of things. But of course, um, you can see the big players in the market and the whales probably playing with our soul, or with our many different scenarios out there. So I think so it's a great time to buy into the crypto and invest in many things as well. So let us see some latest tweets out there into the, you can see here in the Michael Saylor is as in discussion with Crypto, benefits of proper regulations. Of course, Michael Saylor is one of the biggest bull in crypto market. He is involved in crypto market, and he is the one can push the price upwards as well. So we have seen that El Salvador has bought more bitcoins than 20,000 US dollars. But the interesting thing here is that, look at Elon Musk. Like Elon haven't tweeted more than a 10 days now. He didn't tweet it anything. 24th May was the last tweet Elon has made. This is a very very critical situation, because Elon is a regular Twitter person. Like he likes to tweet regularly on the regular basis. He sometimes makes more than 5 to 6 tweets a day, but he's currently offline. What does that mean? Does Elon is coming with some breaking news out there? Does Elon is coming with something that can terrify Philly, and Elon can bring out can he is looking to bring something new. So the trader J is saying local bottom is very close. We might see big rally around 40k, then BTC can dump to 20 to 20k before the bull run starts. Now there are different tactics that the people are discussing about it. That it will go to $26,000. Some are saying it will go to 10,000 US dollars. Some are saying it will go to the 12,000 US dollars. Some are going it is 100,000 US dollars. Some are saying that in this decade it will get to the $1 million. So we need to see with time that what will happen to the price of the Bitcoin, and we will be there. So see you guys in the next video. Till that, take goodbye.